a very, very dangerous factor.
A senior educationist and mentor of Mawhati Foundation, Dr. Evarist Myrsing, will be contesting the upcoming elections from Mawhati Constituency. This was revealed in the Bharatiya Janata Party meeting held on Saturday at Tirso village after Dr. Evarist Myrsing, along with several other leaders, joined the BJP. It may be mentioned that Dr. Myrsing was formally welcomed into the party by the BJP State President Ernest Mawhati in the presence of BJP MLA from Laban, Sanborshulai, David Kharsati, BJP state leaders and other party leaders from the state and Rebhoy district. Addressing the gathering on Saturday, Evarist Myrsing shared his vision to work for the development and upliftment of the people through his decision to join the BJP.
Ngandon ay banay ka spa ka pewiti. Henry ka jingnang jing tip ko ba play ula ay nga wata dang wan na industry ko bedok. Henry ngin sang duri na dong tan. Ngin dong si xiao to agent of change. Ka daw jong ka jingla ka sedang nalarampe nalaing usan bat na ka dong tan ko ba ijungi. Dai na ka daw ngambang se ban pai ban shim ni ka kor ka pakya ko sa isra. On dunay kan news ng siteng yimdon MLA Mawhati. Dahil nakatagdawa na trang hanumin sin banchakri. Hadu kan na hibin not siya ban chakmat. Ban IT na benta janga. Ban agum tag jingla jang Mawhati Constituency.
United